Hello everyone. In today topic is politician. How we know that we go to the politician, we join the politician or no. So there are some sign. First is the Mount of this one is called Mount of Jupiter. This is the sun mount, and this is called the Mars mount, and this is the Venus mount. If all these mounts are well developed, or there is any vertical line like this vertical line, if any mount we find the any mount, all these which I explain, there is any vertical line, it means you will go to the politics or join the politics party. The next one is the if the sunlight goes to the mount of Venus. This is the sunlight, this is called sunlight. If the line goes to the mount of Venus, this is the Venus, and this is called the sunlight. If the sunlight goes to the mount of Venus, it also indicates the that you will take interest in politician. Okay, and next one is the faith line. This one is called the faith line. If the faith line, if the faith line goes to the mount of Saturn, sorry, mount of Jupiter. This is the if any branch goes to the mount of Jupiter, this is the faith line, and this one is the mount of Jupiter. If the any line goes to the mount of Jupiter, uh, this is the this line is this line, it means faith line goes to the mount of Jupiter. It also indicates the that you have joined the political party. Okay, the next one is the flag sign. This one is called the flag sign. If there is any flag in Jupiter mount, it also give or Venus mount. If there is any flag in the Venus mount, it give the fame, or as well as also give the surety of political, you will join the political party. Okay, the next is the if the triangle in Jupiter mount, Jupiter mount, if triangle in the Jupiter mount, and this is the called the Mercury mount. If there is also a triangle in Mercury mount, it shows that success in political field. It gives the surety that you will success in the political field. So thank you.